Okay, part D of problem 5 on exam 2 review is how long does it take the rock to reach half its maximum height? Well, its maximum height, as we found, it was t equals 15 seconds took it to get there, but the maximum height was s of 15, and that equaled, as we found in the last part, 180 meters. And so if we want to find, what we want to find out is we want to find what is t equal when s of t equals half of 180 is 90 meters. So, excuse me, we're going to write 90 meters. Oops, I really don't need that meters there. I don't really like junking up my problem with units. I know some people do, and if that's your style, go ahead. 90 equals 24 t minus 0.8 t squared. If we subtract 90 from both sides, just going to make it easy. Let's get 0. I'm just going to use the quadratic formula because I think that this isn't going to factor very nicely, and I practiced it earlier. So it's going to be negative b, which in this case is 24, plus or minus the square root of 24 squared minus 4 times a, in this case, is negative 0.8. Get that point in there, times c, which in this case is negative 90, and that's going to be all over 2 times a, which is negative 0.8, so that's going to be negative 1.6, and we're going to get 2 answers. I think both of them will be good. So I'm just going to plug those into my calculator. Let's see, I'm going to do what's under the radical first, just to make sure we don't get I know we're not, but we don't get an imaginary number. 24 squared equals 576 minus 4 times negative 0.8 times negative 90 is 288, and I'll take the square root of that. Whoops. Take the square root of the answer, and I'm going to store. It's 16 point. It's almost 17 actually. I'm going to store that in my calculator, so that what I'm talking about is just what I'm storing. If I mention that's a, so then I'm going to get negative 24 plus alpha a equals that divided by negative 1.6, and I get 4.39. We'll just say 4.4. Why not? 4.4 seconds. That sounds like a good number to me. Let's see if the other number. We're not looking for negative numbers because this didn't start at a initial height or anything, so we shouldn't be getting any negatives, but we could. But let's see. Negative 24 minus alpha a divided by negative 1.6, and we get 25.6 seconds, and it's actually 25.606, but anyway, I've already started with 1 decimal place, so 25.6 seconds, and I probably should have anyway, and that's the answer. That's how long it takes to get half the maximum height. There's 2 answers because it's half its maximum height on its way up, and it's half its maximum height on its way down. This is a lot like a college algebra, if you remember college algebra, a lot like college algebra problem, except now you're using calculus, although we haven't used a whole lot of it in this problem.